Merry Christmas. It's very cold in the Shackaroo. We gotta give this building a name. We still have to do the insulation, the ceiling. So this is what we did this year. Got that window all in. Got the sauna all set up. So we still have to put the ceiling up. Got the door in. Got most of the paneling up. And a couple spare pieces there. Just thought I'd show you around my level. Merry Christmas to all my tools. We got the fireplace running. Look at that super duper plug. Or breaker, or whatever they call it. The pink flamingos are still out. It's raining. That's for lights up there, they're just hanging. Oh, I put a Christmas bulb in. Merry Christmas to the marsh. Baby, it's cold in here. And Merry Christmas to my TV and my tools. And to Lonnie and to everybody. Baby, it's cold in here. It's warming up though. Got a candle burning. I got some chips. There's my chair. My controllers. Yeah, I got those super duper lights up there. LEDs. And the Christmas bulb. I thought I'd show you around. I still got some work to do in here. This window's cool, looking out. Get the screen effect. Whoopsie. And the spare parts, paneling. Into windows. Glass blocks we built in. Back of the house. The sauna took up more room than I thought it would, but it's pretty cool. I'll stand back here. We got a couple heaters running. Still got to do the floor and the ceiling. It's warming up a little bit. It was like 30 degrees. Hey, I can show you this water. It's really high. But make sure the door shuts. Oh God, I should have zipped my jacket up. Look at. Whoa, it's coming. Ooh, it's coming in. Whoa. That's really coming in. This is not good. Birdhouse is on the water. Plenty of birds flying around. Look at them all. It's raining. Look at the birds. Beach parking. Look at my property lines right over there. I'm underwater. Look at the grass. Gonna kill the grass. That's quite high. Thank God the property goes upwards. Whoa. Well, just thought I'd show you. Look at the tide.